Inside this unassuming grey bag is the key to making your phone footage look like film. This is the Moment Cinebloom Filter, and I've got it attached to the Moment filter adapter because it basically lives on my phone all the time now. The Cinebloom filter comes nicely presented in this round plastic case with a cleaning cloth. And it mounts onto the Moment filter adapter, which mounts onto the Moment phone case. The Cinebloom is a 67mm filter, so it easily covers all 3 lenses on my iPhone 14 Pro Max. And when it's all fitted together, it's nice, it's sleek, it looks great, it's low profile, and it's super easy to use. So how does the Moment Cinebloom filter work? Well, it's essentially a diffusion filter. So to test it out, Georgie and I headed into London one evening. So here we are in Cafe Concerto having a hot chocolate. And if you take a look at this shot of the ceiling lights, this one's without the Cinebloom filter, and this one's with the Cinebloom filter. Now the most obvious difference is this haloing effect around the bright lights. So what a diffusion filter does is it filters very high frequency light and breaks up the signal, and that's how it creates this nice halo glowing type effect around lights. The reason we like this is because it emulates a process called halation, which occurs in film cameras when high frequency lights hit the plate. And this effect has become very synonymous with cinema productions. So then we decided to take a walk along the Thames towards the London Eye, because there are lots of nice bright lights there at night. So this is a really good way to check out that halation effect. Well, the Cinebloom filter doesn't only work at night with bright lights. During the day, it can give you footage a really nice filmic feel. Now, the day after we went to London to test it out, we took Luna for a walk in the local park with Georgie's mum. And I shot this footage using the Cinebloom filter. Now this is straight out of the iPhone's native camera app. There is absolutely no grading on this at all. I showed this footage to a photographer friend of mine who shoots on film, and he was absolutely convinced that this was shot on film. He reckoned there was absolutely no way I could possibly have shot this with my phone. Check this out. So there we go, the results speak for themselves. The Moment Cinebloom Filter is a serious professional piece of kit for your phone. And on top of that, Moment do loads of other really high quality professional products for mobile photography and filmmaking. And the Moment phone case is the key to fitting them all. So if you're interested in checking out Cinebloom Filter for yourself, there's a link in the description where you can get one direct from Moment. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask me in the comments. I'll be really happy to answer anything. Thanks for watching. See you next time.